Hi guys, here's how to create your project catalog on Upwork. Okay, so the first step is to click right here by the top on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to click right here where it says my profile. Okay, once you click on that, you just scroll down and then you'd see project catalog right here, your project catalog. So just click on manage projects and you'll be able to add a new project catalog on Upwork. So your project catalog is essentially it's more like a Fiverr gig where you're able to package a specific service that clients can then buy from you. Okay, so how to get started? You just have to create a project and then it would be approved and by Upwork before you're able to use that on your profile. Okay, so the first step is to create one. Okay, so to create your project catalog, um, start from right here where it says create a project. So once you click on that, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can input all the information about your project catalog. Okay, if you've ever been on Fiverr, this is very much like creating a Fiverr gig, but if you haven't done that before, then let's get into it. So it says you get that's an automatic prompt you will get, and then you have to fill in the specific service you're offering on the project catalog. Okay, so right here, this profile is about a crypto writing service. So I'll say you'll get an impeccable crypto article. Okay, so yeah, this is a very good title for our project catalog. This is the title. So once you've written the title, scroll down and then just choose the category, which is writing and translation. Then scroll down and then choose the specific attributes of your project. I'll choose things relating to crypto, which is business, um, what else? Okay, but there isn't much right here that relates to crypto, so I'm gonna just choose this your science. Okay, and then language should be English. I can speak French, but I don't write in French, so just English. And then the tone should be conversational, professional. And then the article type, long form, news stories, and then listicles, and then the tags would simply be the tag is more of a metadata because it helps Upwork understand the services you're offering. So for a crypto content writer, I'll type in crypto. Okay, I'll type in crypto article. So if you're a graphics designer, you want to type in graphics designer, you want to type in Canva, Adobe Premiere Pro, all types of graphic design software, Blender, and things like that. Okay. So this is a crypto writing service. So I'm just gonna use article writing, content writing, and then crypto blog. Okay, these are very good tags, and then click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, you would have to fill in the pricing. So again, this is just like Fiverr. You can use 3 tiers and then you have different prices for each one. So for example, this is automatically set as starter, this is set as standard, and this is set as advanced. But you can definitely use custom titles, say one article, and then you can name this premium, name this something else. but I think it's best to just leave the original titles as they are, and then you input a description. So right here I'll say I will write a 500 word crypto article. Okay, so if you're a graphics designer, you can say I will create a stunning logo for your website. If you're a web designer, you can write um, I'll create a great website for your Shopify store. Okay, you just have to describe the service you're offering right here. So this is the starter, so it should be 500 words. And then since this is standard, it is expected to be more. So I'll say 1000 word article. And then this is the advanced. And so I'll say 1500 word article. Okay. And then, so right here we have our title, we have our custom description of the project catalog, and then right here we have the delivery days. So this can be 1 day, just because it's 500 words, this is 1000 words, so 1 day, but this is 1500 words, so I'll choose 2 days. And the number of revisions is essentially the number of times that a client can ask you to make changes. So for the smaller word articles, I'll choose 3 revisions, and then for this, I'll choose 5. Never choose unlimited revisions. Never do that to yourself, okay? Because you don't want clients coming back months later to ask you for revisions, okay? Never choose unlimited revisions. So right here, number of words, it's already included right here, but you can just type that out again. Okay, and then this is 1500. Okay, number of focus words. Focus words are essentially just keywords. So if you have any specific number of keywords you can work with to be included in the article, just put it in here, or you can leave that empty. And then service tier options. These are essentially just, add-ons, just extra services. You can just check all of them. Honestly, it doesn't matter. Nobody checks all of these. um no clients really bothers themselves about topic research, references, citations, and data chart. Okay, so next is your project price. Okay, so for our 500 word article, we can choose 50 bucks. 1000 word article, 100 bucks, and then 15 word articles, 150 bucks. Makes absolute sense. um then you can choose more add-ons. For every add-on you choose, you have to impute the delivery days and then the extra price you'll charge for that. Okay, so if you want to write additional 100 words, you can click on this and then set the price for an additional 100 words, which could be 5 bucks, and then the additional number of days that a client should allow you to deliver the add-on, okay, which could be 1 day. Okay, makes absolute sense. So if you don't like any of these, then just click right here where it says custom add-on, and then just type in a custom description of an add-on that you would like to impute. Okay, so once you've done that, you click on save and continue. Okay, we didn't impute this title right here. Okay, standard and then advanced. Again, you can choose you know any title you want. Okay, so save and continue, and then we can move on to the next screen, which is your gallery. Okay, so your gallery is essentially more of a thumbnail or a profile picture for your project catalog. So just click on browse, and then you can choose an image. It's best to choose an image that describes your gig. So ideally I would have designed something that shows a crypto content writer, but since this is a tutorial, I can just choose a random picture of Elon Musk. Right here, yeah, random picture of Elon Musk as that, and then a video. If you have a video, you can click on browse and then add a video that describes your project catalog. But if you don't have a video, you can definitely create one on Canva or just hire someone to create one for you. Okay. So right here, you can also add sample documents, like samples of the jobs you've done. And then, that's a very useful addition. And then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can input any instructions or requirements you have of your clients. Okay, so right here, just click on this plus button, add a requirement, and usually it's something like hi, thanks for clicking on my project. What would you like me to work on? Okay, so this is a very good requirement for this section. You want to keep it short so that the client actually reads it, but again, you want it to make sense. Okay, so you can click right here to make it a mandatory requirement, and then click on add, and then save and continue. Once you're done, you can write the description for your project. Okay, so again, I'll just pause the video and then write a description so I don't waste your time. The description is just you telling the client what exactly it is that you're doing. Okay, so right here I've written something. You can just pause the video and read this, but I think it's best to remember that you have to use search engine optimization while writing your description. So make sure you mention your keywords. Right here, you can see crypto article, SEO, search engine optimization. If this were my main profile, I'd have used tons of keywords. So for example, right here, I would have written my crypto articles 100% search engine optimized. I would say if you need SEO, crypto content, these are all keywords that clients would use while searching for a project. Okay, I can write them for you. Okay, this is very good because I've included tons of keywords: SEO, crypto content, crypto articles, crypto articles. I've included tons of keywords in my description. Once you've done that, then you have your steps. This is just Upwork describing the steps that will be taken once the client approaches your project. So the client purchases the project, you complete the project, and then the client reviews and approves your work, and you get paid. Very easy. And then in this section, you can add any FAQ you have. So for example, you can click on add a question and then say, are your articles unique? Okay, and then the answer will be yes, my articles are 100% unique. Okay, this is a very good FAQ, very good concern that clients would have. So you just include that right there and then click on save and continue. Okay, you have to add at least one step right here. So just click on add a step. And just type in any step that you want the client to take. So for example, client reviews article outline. Okay, so just include this as a step and then click on add. Okay, so client purchases, you complete the project, client reviews the outline, and then client reviews and approves your work, and then you get paid. Very, very easy. Click on save and continue, and then uh, review. Okay, So maximum number of simultaneous projects, you want to increase this to, as much as possible. Um, Copyright notice, all of that copyright stuff. Of course, your project has to be unique. Then click on submit for review. And then it takes about 5 days. Okay, maximum is 20. It takes about 5 days uh, or less for Upwork to review your project. Okay, so once your project is approved, you'll be sent an email, and then you'll be able to find your project in Upwork searches. You'll also be able to find it on your profile. Clients can purchase your project from your profile. And if you learned how to create a project from this video, kindly like and subscribe, and I'll